What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Z, and it's Vlogmas Day for y'all. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Y'all read that title. I'm not even finna go into detail or make this intro long. But before we get into this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you can see every time I post. Mind you, I'm posting every day. Alright, let's get it. Okay, so y'all, the first thing I do is go to Safari. And I look up a background that I want, but I already got a background, so we're going to skip that part. So then I'm going to go to SuperimposeX. Then I'm going to click the plus. And I'm going to choose the background that I chose. So I'm going to slide over until 16:9, because that's the size of a regular thumbnail. I'm going to get it to where I want it to be. I'm going to click the check. Click the little square with the arrow in the right corner. Then I'm going to save it to my photos. I'm done with that. Then I want to go to PicsArt. Okay, I'm gonna push the plus sign. Then go to all photos. Click that exact picture I just clicked. Then I'm going to push add photo. I'm going to pick a picture. Just pick a random picture. This one, add. So I'm going to zoom it in so y'all can see. Don't exactly know. Make sure y'all put it where y'all want. Then I'm going to push cut out. And you're going to do person. So there's an erase button so you can get all the extra excess. So yeah. You got to be really careful and steady so you can really get it. You don't have to be perfect, but you still want it to get it to look right. You still want it to look right. So as I do this, I'm going to get the extra excess. And there is a restore button to add back what you erased. So I'm going to preview. So then I'm going to still line it, erase what I don't like. It shouldn't take that long, but it depends how perfect you are. If you want it perfect, then it's going to take a little while. So as I clean this up, okay, I'm going to restore this part of my hair. Okay, erase this part. Then get my shoulder. It should take about a minute or two, depending, like I said, depending on how you want it to be. So I'm going to do a little bit more around this part. And over here, oops. There is a back button in case you mess up and you don't like it. Okay, so when you click on the eraser, you can actually make the eraser smaller or bigger if it's too big or if it's too small. I'm going to restore this part of my hat right here. Then I'm going to erase. I'm going to make it a little smaller. It does take a little minute to get it how you want to get it. No, it's not even. Good. After you get how you want, you're going to click save. After save, you center it how you want it, but don't click apply yet. So then what you're going to click is shadow. I like to bring my shadow all the way up and the blur all the way up so it can look more bold. Then you're going to click adjust. This is where the brightness, contrast, saturation, all of that is. So I'm going to bring it up just a little bit to about 4. Contrast. I'm gonna bring it up higher because this bolding, like, it makes your picture look more 3D. So saturation, I'm gonna bring it about to I'm gonna bring it up to like 41. Shadows, I'm gonna bring it up higher to about 43. Highlights, I don't really like highlight that much because it's already, y'all can see it's already bright, so I'm probably actually gonna bring it down. Put that back at 40. Then I'm gonna bring the brightness down a little bit to about 1. Okay. Then I am going to press apply to go back, center how I actually want it. Then I'm going to go to border. I'm going to do a white border and I'm going to bring it about, I like my border spin, so I'm going to bring it about to a 6, no, about an 8, 9. About a 7. Not that big, not too big, not too small. So once you think it look right, don't press apply just yet. Make sure you get everything you want, how you want it. Okay, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller. Then you're gonna press apply. Okay, then after that you're gonna go to, where is it? You're gonna go to sticker, find you an emoji. I'm going to do the kissy emoji. Download that, then get that how you want it. I'm gonna put it in the corner, almost. Okay, I'm gonna put a border on that. It's gonna be black though, and I'm gonna not make it that big. A shadow, I'm gonna bring that up. Then I'm gonna go to adjust again. Brightness, I'm gonna bring that up so it can almost match my face. Saturation, bring it up. Shadows, highlights. Okay, so when you're done, make sure you position it right, because once you press apply, you can't go back unless you're gonna do it all over again. It's not like step by step. So then once I'm good, I'm gonna press apply. I'm gonna press apply. So then I'm going to click sticker again. I'm going to type in stockings. And I like this one. This is the first one I see. So I'm gonna put it how I want it. And I'm gonna give this a border too, but nothing else. But I'm gonna do it really thin so you can't even really tell. Okay, then I'm gonna press apply. After that, I'm going to choose sticker again. Then I'm going to type in camera overlay. You could choose any one you want, but I'm going to choose this one because it makes it bolder. It does mess up a little bit, so you're going to have to fix it. Hold on, let me move this out the way. Then I'm going to zoom in. Then I'm going to put it on there. So get it how you want. I don't want it oversized, but I am going to make it a little bit bigger so it can look right. Okay, then you're going to push apply. After that, you're going to push the down arrow, save it. Then we're going to go to Phonto. Okay, and then you're going to press the plus. Click the actual picture. Go to text. Okay, and start typing in whatever you want. They have a lot of different fonts you can use, but I'm going to use Homestead regular. Then title case, I'm going to push uppercase. Title case, I'm going to press uppercase. Then I'm going to press done. See where I want to put it. I'm going to actually press size so it can size it down a lot. Then align, it actually moves it where you want it to be. but you have to be patient with this. Okay, then again, I'm going to size it down. Okay, I'm going to go to style. Style again, give it a little shadow in the back. Click whatever color you want. Okay, that looks pretty good. Okay, I'm done with that. Now I'm going to choose a different text. I'm going to do the same thing, choose the same font, uppercase. Where is it? Okay, uppercase, done. So I'm going to size it down. I actually want this to be a little bit bigger than the rest of the letters, the words. So if it looks a little bit bigger, then that's fine. Align it right. I'm going to do the same thing what I did to house. Style again, click the black, then it already pops up as the same shadow. Okay, text again. Make slide down to homestead regular, uppercase, done. Set that to where you want it. Size it down. Size it down to the size of the how, but I'm going to actually slide the how over and slide the 2 over so the make won't be too much on the kissy face. I'm actually going to bring it up some. Yeah, I'm going to bring it up some. I should have moved the kissy face a little more down, but that'll be fine. So go back to make, style, shadow, and it gives me the same one that I've already used. This looks a little uneven, so there. Then I'm going to do text. Once again, this is the last time. Font. I'm going to click the font I want. Uppercase, done. Okay. Now I'm going to, the more letters you have in one word, it makes it smaller. So that's actually good. So then I'm going to click thumbnail, style, shadow. This shadow's not really going to work that much because it's on something, but it does, you can see it a little bit. So make sure you align everything right. Let me come over some. I'm going to go up with this. How to make. Okay. So line it all right. When you think it looks good enough, then you can press this little thing in the corner. Then press save image. Okay. Now we're going to go back to PicsArt. You can save that draft or whatever. But after we go back to PicsArt, go to the new one we just put the words on. So then go to sticker. And I want some more stuff because it looks a little plain. So I'm going to type in some snowflakes. I don't really like the big snow. Oops. It does do that. So I don't really like the big snowflakes on my face. So what I'm going to do is do half and half. I'm going to put some snowflakes over there. Then I'm going to press sticker again. Come back with the snowflakes because the smaller ones are on the end. So most of them won't be in my face. Then I'm going to press apply again. And then I'm going to press save. When I go to my camera roll, you can adjust it. It won't have this background on it. So I edit it, crop it out, crop this out. I'll bring this. Make sure you have everything. So then I'm going to slide up. I'm going to slide down. And then I'm done. And then you have your thumbnail. Okay, y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video. If y'all have any questions, make sure you comment them down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. And I'm going to see y'all next time.
Now it's been a block for you, and I will never stop for you. And I keep these 30 shots for